Hello everybody, my name is Max, and in this video I will show you exactly step by step how you can submit your orders on EastMallBuy. So in the last video I showed you what EastMallBuy is. EastMallBuy is simply a website where you can buy high quality products from China and they get shipped to the warehouse and you get all the QC pictures and everything there, so you can be sure that you buy high quality items, and if something is not alright you can always just return it. So that's why we usually shop with agents, and one of them is obviously EastMallBuy. In this video real quick I will show you how to submit your parcels. So here we are on my computer on the main page on EastMallBuy, and let's head over to my profile and let's go to the warehouse, of course. So in here you get all the products here on the Timberlands I've ordered, and some Solomons and some Adidas shoes also. And if you want to see the QC pictures, just simply click on the agent order, and here you get the QC photos of the items. So let's see how they all look like. As you can see, this is how it all looks like. You've got the QC pictures, you see the shoes and the color, height and size, everything. So yeah, it all looks like this. Shows you real quick how it all is. Here, as you can see, you can always just repurchase the item. You can get additional QC pictures. You can message the seller or agent if you want to, and that's it. Now once it's done, let's simply select all in the warehouse and let's submit the parcel. So yes, I want to submit this parcel, and we are looking at the total of 6,822 grams of the total weight, and the estimated total price is $147 US. And here are some additional things we can also do. We can just get more photos. We can actually get the vacuum bags. You can reinforce the parcel if you want to. You can stretch the film, bubble wrap and stuff. So yeah, you can simply do all of that, which is great. And once you submit your address, this is how it all looks like. You've got all the shipping methods and tariffs. So what I would do is I would go for obviously the DHL line, and it looks like this one is the best one here. So it all looks like this now. The freight cost is $124 US, and remember that you can always just use shipping coupons to bring down the freight even more. So let me just show real quick how it's done. Let's click on submit. Now it's submitted, and now you can just pay for your parcel. So let me real quick show you how to pay for a parcel. Okay, so this is how it all looks like now. Once the package is reviewed, you can just pay for your parcel normally. You can always use the shipping coupons. You have them here in a wallet tab, and then the coupon, and then as you can see you have a ton of different coupons you can use. You can reduce your shipping freight by like $17, $22 even. So there's lots of different coupons you can use. That's just great, and it obviously helps you to just bring down the cost to even lower amounts. So that's it. That's how you can submit your parcels on EastMallBuy. If you have any questions regarding how to submit your parcels or anything, leave them down in the comment section. I will simply just show you real quick and help you. And that's it. If you want to see more videos like this where I compare different agents, different shoes and brands, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely do so. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.